that can give them those leadership abilities and give them to be attached. You know, sis, I got you, I got you, I got you. Because sometimes
this station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Do you have Duquesne Light and Shayla Hawkins events?
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is late for you.
This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Yeah, this is very late for WAMO to test.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
Mystery Sale is back for the holidays. Through Thursday, usher in huge holiday savings with our in-store coupon giveaway. You can get an extra 30, 40, or even 50% off while they last. Simply find an associate for a coupon, then peel to reveal your deal.
This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
The weather is cooling.
One item by texting GIFT to 23663. That's 2.
Test alert. Test alert.
See website for details.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
So I switched to.
I legit called that.
Testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
No WHC, realize as the links are down. And as Antonio eats his ice... Okay, no! Never mind!
Shove these up your ass. No anymore.
Anyway, as you can see, I was joined along with...
Antonio!
Oh my god. I got a great memeable face out of that. Oh no. JR being off the camera is never a good thing.
He probably wants to bet. Okay, no. Friend.
Anyways, no, you are not that. You are. Thank you. Anyway. Yeah, I sincerely did enjoy that.
You probably did, but you just couldn't get hard enough.
Anyways, same old story. KDK testing, of course. And yes, say hello to my low-pitched sidekick, because why not? And I pretty much have that on my computer to charge for now. So, yeah, I couldn't... Well, WHA realized it was down, so that's no biggie on that part.
Sorry about that, y'all. But yes.
Yeah, and I did an experiment just to see if WQED did the automated weeklies too, but they don't. Because someone asked you in a YouTube comment, Antonio, if they did.
I saw that.
I experimented with that this morning, and they don't, so. there's our answer. Anyway,
Yes.
I'm still going to experiment on some other stations to see who else does them so that we can get more captures out of them. So, we'll see what happens.
Yes.
Anyway, with that being said... Jay? Oh! For God's sakes, let me do my outro without you interrupting me! Anyway, with that being said, that'll pretty much wrap it up. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. It really helps me out. And yeah, there isn't really anything else to say, really. Although, I will soon upload a solve, maybe, with this thing. Yeah, it's the world's smallest Rubik's Cube. And
The world's smallest.
that's what you... No, never mind. Anyway, this is a Marianus, so yeah, maybe I'll do a solve with it on cam. So, anyway, with that time being, that'll pretty much wrap it up, and S3 is signing out.